Good day, children. Sairam. Welcome back. Children, in the previous chapter 20 in Active English, what did we learn? Do you remember what did we learn? Yes, we have learned when to use is, are, and how to answer in short. Do you remember? Yes. Today we are going to start with a new chapter in Active English, the chapter number 21. Okay. Now children, what are these words? In, on, under, behind, beside, in front of. What are these words? On, in, on, under, behind, beside, in front of. What are these words? They are the position words, right? They tell us the position of a particular thing, person or animal is. Now all these words also we have learned before, right? When to use these words. Okay. So in today's chapter we are going to learn more about these words. Okay. So children, we are going to observe the picture properly and answer. Okay. And also listen to the teacher. Okay. Now what can you see here? You can see a boat in the water, and there are many boys. Right? Now see the question what is asked and how we are going to answer this question by looking at the picture. Now here, where are the boys? Now what is told here? Where are the boys? Means you have to tell the position of the boys. Where are the boys? Now, so how will you answer? The boys are in the boat. The boys are in the boat. But instead of saying the boys, starting with the boys, what will you do? Instead of starting with the boys, we will start with they. They are in the boat. So where are the boys? Instead of the boys, we have used they. Where are the boys? They are in the boat. We will not say the boys are in the boat. In place of the boys, we will use they. Okay, if there are many boys, we will use they. Many boys, many girls, we'll use they. Okay. So, where are the boys? They are in the boat. Okay. So, we are telling the position of the boys. Now, where are the boys? They are in the boat. Now, see the second picture. What can you see? You can see a plate and an egg. A plate and an egg. Now there is only one egg. Now what is the question? Just see. Where is the egg? Now what is told here? Where is the egg? What is the question? Where is the egg? Now we have to write the position of the egg. Now here also we will not write the egg. Okay. In place of the egg, we are going to use the word it. What are we going to use? It. So where is the egg? It is on the plate. Where is the egg? It is on the plate. So in place of the egg, we have used it. What did we use? They. What did we use? It. Sorry. Where is the egg? It is on the plate. So instead of the egg, we have used it. It is on the plate. Now why did we use it here? Why did we use they? Because the egg is one and it is a thing. Egg is a thing. So for things, we use it. Okay? So where is the egg? It is on the plate. First one is, where are the boys? They are in the boat. So we use they because they are many and they are boys. So we use they. And here egg is one and egg is a thing. So we used it. Okay? So where are the boys? They are in the boat. Where is the egg? It is on the plate. Understood? Now we'll see the next example. Here also observe the picture properly. Okay? Now here, where is the fox? Now we have to tell the position of the fox. Okay? Where is the fox? Now in place, instead of, now you have to, where is the fox? Tell the position of the fox. The fox is under the tree. Okay, it is under the tree now. You can see the fox here. The fox is under the tree. Right? Now in place of the fox. Now what is fox? Fox is an animal. So for animal, what will we use? It. Thing or animal, we'll use it. Okay, we'll not use he, she or they. Okay. So for animal or the things, we use it. So where is the fox? In place of the fox, we'll write it. It is under the tree. It is under the tree. In place of the fox, we are using it. Okay. Where is the fox? It is under the tree. Understood? Next one. Now, what can you say here? A boy and a wall. Now, see the question what it is? Where is the boy? Now here, we have to tell the position of the boy. Where is the boy standing? So, where is the boy? Now here, who is there? The boy. So, in place of the boy, what are you going to use? Are you going to use it? No. Then what are you going to use? They? No. So, boy. Boy means we are going to, for boys, we use he. What do we use for boys? He. So, in place of the boy, we will write he is behind the wall. So, where is the boy? He is behind the wall. So, in place of the boy, we used he. Where is the boy? He is behind the wall. Behind tells us the position of the boy. Under tells us the position of the fox. Behind tells the position of the boy. Understood? Next. Now again observe this picture. We can see a house and we can see a tree. This is the question. Where is the tree? Now we have to tell the position of the tree. Where is the tree? Now here again, in place of the tree, you are going to write he, they or it. Yes, we are going to write it. Why? Because tree is a thing. It is a plant. Okay. So, what will you write? It is in front of the house. Where is the tree? It is in front of the house. So, in place of the tree, we had used it. Okay. So, where is the tree? It is in front of the house. It is in front of the house. Okay. Now, you can see one boy and a girl. Okay. Now, see the question. Where is the girl? Now, we have to tell the position of the girl. Now, girl, in place of the girl, what are you going to write? She. Now, where is the girl? Now, we are not going to write here he, or we are not going to write they, or we are not going to write it. For girls, we use she. So, where is the girl? She is beside the boy. Where is the girl? She is beside the boy. In place of girl, we have used she. Okay. And which word tells the position of the girl? Beside. Which word tells the position of the girl? Beside. And which word tells the position of the tree? In front of. Okay? Understood? Okay. Now, children, we have finished with our chapter. Now, we are going to start with the workbook activity. Okay. You are going to remove your active English workbook. Okay. Take out your active English workbook. Take your pencil eraser and remove page number 32. Page number 32 of your active English workbook. Be quick, children. And then write today's date at the top. Be quick. And children, you are going to write the answers with the teacher. Now you know when to use these words. Okay. Now you will be able to write the answers also. See the first one. Where is the bottle? Where is the bottle? So, it is dash the box. So, in place of the bottle, what is used? It. In place of the bottle, what is used? It. Okay. So, where is the bottle? It is. Yes. You can see the words here. It is given position words. It is in the box. So, where is the bottle? It is in the box. Second one. See the picture. Where dash the apples? First you have to finish this question. So, where will you write where is the apples, or will you use where are the apples? Is used for single thing, one thing, singular. And are is used for many. So, here how many apples are there? No. So, what will you use? Are. Where are the apples? And how are you going to answer? In place of the apples, here also there are many. So, what will you write? They. There are many things. Then you will write they. They are on the plate. They are on the plate. So, write the answers fast. Be quick, children. Where are the apples? They are on the plate. See number 3. Number 3. Now again here you have to complete the question. Now where dash dash bottle. Now what will you write here? Will you write is the, or will you write are the? Yes, you will write is. Where is the bottle? Why is? Because there is only one bottle. So where is the bottle? Okay. And what you are going to write the answer in place of the bottle? You are going to write it is under the table. So where is the bottle? It is under the table. Finish writing? Okay. We move to the next question. Next question. Number 4. Here we have to complete the question. Dash dash boy. Okay. So what will be the question? Where is the boy? Where is the boy? What are you going to write answer? He is behind the girl. He is behind the girl. Now see the next one, number 5. Again you have to finish the question plus first. Dash dash girl. Okay. Now where is the girl? Where is the girl? Answer. She is beside the boy. She is beside the boy. Where is the girl? She is beside the boy. See number 6. Finish the question first. Okay. Dash 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 goat. Where is the goat? Where is the goat? So, what will be the answer? It is in front of the tree. In place of the goat, it. It is in front of the tree. Be quick, write the answers, questions and answers fast. Over. Then we'll move to the next one. Okay. Again, here observe the picture and write the answer. Finish the question plus first and then answer. Okay. What will you write here? Yes. Where is the woman? Where is the woman? Here no helping words are given. So you have to observe the picture properly. Where is the woman? Now in place of woman, what are you going to write? She. What are you going to write? She. She is in the boat. She is in the boat. Where is the woman? She is in the boat. Next. What will the question second one? Where? Now here are you going to write where is the cat? Where is the cats? No. What will you write? Yes. There are how many cats? 2. 2 mean many. If they're single, then we'll write is, no? But here there are 2 cats. So you'll write where are the cats? Where are the cats? So the cats, what will you write? There are many. So what will you write? They are on the chair. They are on the chair. Where are the cats? They are on the chair. Okay? So the next one. Dash 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 dog. Now here only one dog. So what will you use? Are you going to use are or are you going to use is? Yes, you are going to use is. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? So what will you write? It is under the chair. It is under the chair. Okay? Go to the next one. Number 4. Finish the question first. Dash dash cow. Now here, what will you write? Only one cow, single cow. So what will you use? Is. Where is the cow? Where is the cow? Answer. It is behind the tree. It is behind the tree. Where is the cow? It is behind the tree. Next one, number 5. Now here we have to tell, write the first question. Dash 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 woman. Okay. Where is the woman? Where is the woman? Answer. Now woman means girl, no? Lady she is. So what will you write? She. She is beside the man. She is beside the man. Where is the woman? She is beside the man. Okay, see number 6. Dash, 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 rat. So what do you write? What is the question? Where is the rat? Where is the rat? So see, where is the position of the rat? Yes, it is in front of the box. It is in front of the box. So children, we are finished with the active English workbook. So you are going to write all the questions and the answers in a good handwriting neatly, okay? Now I am going to give you the homework, okay? So what we have learned today, some questions I had given you, I am giving you, and you are going to write this in your home book, okay? Don't draw the picture, just write a question, head question and then write the answer in full sentence. Just we will discuss the answers, okay? Now what is the head question? Look at the picture and answer the questions, okay? Where are the books? What will you write? Where are the books? Now here, what will you write? You have to write the position of the books. I am not going to write the answer, just I am going to discuss with you. Where are the books? They are in the bag. So like that you are going to write. Books are many, so we will write they. Instead of books, you are going to write they. They are in the bag. Okay? Next one. Number 2. Where is the bird? So observe the picture properly. See where is the bird. Okay? And then write the answer. You are not going to write the bird. What are you going to write in place of bird? You are going to write it. Okay? So it is on the tree. Next one, number 3. Where is the girl? Okay? Now girl. For girl, what will you use? She. So in place of the girl, you are going to use she. So where is the girl? Write the position of the girl. She is in front of the house. So children, you are going to write these 3 questions and answers in your home notebook. Okay? This is your homework. So we have ended with our today's period. Okay? And we will meet in the next period with a new chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Bye children.